Hello students, once again I am here with you and today I will explain you value based question of chapter 5, that is food and health. So see this question. See this is value based question. Okay, now I am going to read the passage so everyone will listen carefully. Okay, see this. Rajat had to go through a slum area while on his way to school. He noticed that some slum children looked weak and pale and were quite inactive. Okay? He did not see them playing or running around like other children of their age. He discussed this problem with his science teacher. Okay? So here you will see that the children were weak and pale, and this is this problem. This problem, Rajat has told to his science teacher that they were suffering from, and they are looking like that means they are suffering from some disease, and I think that disease is the anemia. That means due to the lack of the iron. Okay, so what happened? His teacher, along with the help of his school doctor, organized a medical camp. Organized a medical camp, okay, for the slum children, and Rajat and his friend presented a Nukkad Natika in English you will say street play. Okay, Nukkad Natika, to highlight how some not very costly food item can help those children to improve their health. What was the message? Message was that not very costly food items can help those children to improve their health. Okay, so this is the passage, and now you have to answer the question, and there are three questions. Question number 1, see the question number 1. Question number 1 is the why did the slum children look weak and pale? Question second is the how did Rajat and his teacher help the slum children? Discuss. Question number 3 is the suggest the name of some food items that are not too costly but are good for health. So here you will see that question number 1, for question number 1, what is the answer? The slum children look weak and pale. Why? Because they were suffering from the anemia. What? That means lack of the iron. Lacking what? Lacking a mineral that is called iron, 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 and due to the lack of the iron, they are suffering from which disease? Anemia. Which disease? ANEMIA, anemia. So this is the disease, and due to the lacking of the iron. Okay, so this happened in question number 1. So what will you write the answer? See the answer. Question number 1, see this, here I have written the slum children looked weak and pale because they were suffering from anemia. Okay, now see the question number 2. Question number 2 is the how did Rajat and his teacher help the slum children? Discuss. How? कैसे help किया? They helped the slum children by organizing a medical camp for improving their health. Why? How? By organizing a medical camp. Okay, by organizing a medical camp for them to improve their what? To improve their health. Okay, to improve their health. So see this, to improve their health by organizing a medical camp for the children, for them to improve their health. HEALTH. That is not clear, so you write this. Again I am going to tell this, that Rajat and his teacher helped the slum children by organizing a medical camp for them to improve their health. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is the suggest the names of the some food items that are not too costly but are good for our health. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be the food items What are the food items that are not too costly? Huh? See this. See the answer. Answer is very clear. See this. Here the answer is question number 3. Food items, they are the green leafy vegetable. They are not too costly. And second is the seasonal fruits. Seasonal fruits. SEASONAL. Seasonal FRUITS. It is not visible, so I am telling you. You just listen it. Okay. So you will write the two things here. Number 1 is the GREE and green, LEAFY, leafy, VEGETABLES, vegetables. And in 2 you will write seasonal, 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 and fruit, FRUITS. Okay, I hope now you can write the question answer of this question. Okay, that's all for today. You will complete all these question answer. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.